Good morning everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Vapi Public School web app. Web app means what you can use through browser, through your phone browser, like Chrome, Firefox or any other inbuilt phone browser. So first step is you have to click on browser, then you will get this screen, and in this search box you have to type our Vapi Public School link, web app link, and please do remember, do not leave space and keep all letters in small. After this you will get a login page. Put your child's GR as a login and password too. Click on login. After this you will get a dashboard. In this you will get many more options. You will get quick links. Through quick links you can go directly, you can access directly these modules. But if you want to access more modules and get more information, then you have to click on the upper left corner 3 horizontal lines. By clicking on this you will get other options. In this you will get, first thing you will get is your child's name. Click on it. You will get my profile. So you can see your child's detail also. Then you will get my receipts. By clicking on my receipts, you can see your child's fee details and fee status. Is it paid or not paid? And if it is partially paid, it will show partially paid also. Then if you want to get the whole receipt, you have to click on the Vapi Public School written in blue. Then you will get whole details, and if you want to print it, you have to open this link through any PC or laptop connected to printer. After this you will get fee links. In this payment links you will get class wise fee payment links. From this you can select link for your child's class and do the payment. And for avoiding any extra charges, you can use NEFT also, which is available in this payment option. Like from here, you can select first installment, then you can put your child's detail, any detail if you want to put. And they put valid details. Then click on next, and from here you will get any FT options in the last. Select this and you can do the payments without any extra charges. So like this you can do the fee payment also. Then you will get message box. This is message module. In this your child's class teacher will send the personal message of your child only for your child. So you can view it here in this module. Then you will get my attendance. My attendance, you will be able to see your child's daily attendance report. Circular/resources. In circular/resources, you will be able to see the circulars of your child's. So this all circulars for your child, like important notice or any holiday declaration, anything, any meeting declared or any meeting is organized for parents and teachers. So all details will be in this module only. As our screen So if you won't be able to see this download button, kindly scroll it left to right and right to left, so you will be able to see this download button and get the whole detailed circular. Sometimes it won't be seen completely, so for that you can scroll it. Then for downloading, you have to click on this yellow download button. You can download the circular, but as you can see here, it is showing one download failed. So what does it mean? It means that there is no attachment in this circular. So it is showing download failed. But if any attachment will be there, you will be able to download the attachment. Then for getting mark sheet, you have to click on mark sheet module. As exams are yet to happen, so you won't be able to see any mark sheet in this module. But after exams, you will get your child's mark sheet exam wise. Then for getting assignments, click on assignments. In this, you will get your child's assignment, and you can also download it by clicking on this yellow download arrow like circular. So this is all about the Vapi Public School web application. This is the application from where you can get your child's whole detail and updates about the school events, about the school notices. So you don't have to go and search here and there for the information. This is the one-stop solution. Please use it well and get updated. Thank you so much.